Hello everyone, I'm Hussein from Cinemac. This machine is our SD12. Today I will use this machine briefly introduce the working principle of the high and low speed travel motor. This machine have equipment a solenoid valve. Its working principle is to adjust the sway split of motor to change the displacement. This machine have two travel mode, high torque low speed mode and low torque high speed mode. So we can use this switch to change the mode you want. This is the high torque low speed mode. In this mode, the motor runs at full displacement. The large hydraulic oil output provides powerful driving torque. This mode is suitable for heavy load working conditions, including climbing steps, slopes, traveling on muddy and rugged roads, and starting with heavy load. Okay, let me show you the high speed and the low speed. First, we start the engine. Okay, first I will show you the low speed. And I will show you the high speed. Now I will do some other operations.快乐的小绵羊。 了你 ，Happy。Okay, thank you for watching. Wish you have a good day.